Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to use the Alt plus F4 shortcut to shut down Windows 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop, so you can shut down easily. Just press Alt plus F4. So now you will see one screen, and that screen you have to select shutdown. So in these two steps you can shut down by pressing Alt plus F4 shortcut. Once you press Alt plus F4, so you will see one pop-up, and there you have to select shutdown. So thanks for watching, and guys, in this basic and quick video we can learn how to shut down in different way Windows 11. One of them popular is the power button, start and shutdown, and another method Alt plus F4. And if you are not able to move your cursor and your PC is lagging or freeze, so press Alt Control and Delete key. So one pop-up will appear, and now you have to select shutdown. So thanks for watching, and please comment this basic and short video useful for you or not.